Hey guys, so we finally have official confirmation that Apple is now working on iOS 18.3.1. Yes, Mac Rumors has officially confirmed that according to their website analytics logs, Apple is working on iOS 18.3.1 as some devices running the software are currently visiting their website. Now, as we know, when this happens, we typically get the update within about a week or two at the latest. So in today's video, I want to talk about what are some of the issues that Apple could be addressing with their next update for iOS 18, 18.3.1. Now, we currently know some issues currently happening with iOS 18.3 as Apple themselves has officially disabled notification summaries within Apple Intelligence on devices running iOS 18.3. So perhaps with iOS 18.3.1 notification summaries for news and entertainment applications, which are currently disabled, maybe will be re-enabled with the upcoming update that Apple is currently testing. Now, there's also been various reports of multiple issues. For example, on iPhone 16 and 16 Pro, I've seen various comments on my YouTube videos of camera issues. Now, I did have camera issues with iOS 18.2 and even 18.3 betas, but on the latest iOS 18.3, the final release, I haven't encountered any camera issues. However, there's still plenty of reports of iPhone 16 and 16 Pro models encountering camera issues. Now, another issue that I've encountered multiple times on the latest 18.3.1, and this is a screen recording of that, and that is Wi-Fi issues. So normally, right, when you connect to Wi-Fi, whether it's at home or at work, when you leave, obviously the Wi-Fi network disconnects, but when you return, the Wi-Fi network is supposed to reconnect automatically. Well, that's not happening. With iOS 18.3, I've had several issues. You see here this screen recording where I come back to the studio and it doesn't connect to the Wi-Fi. As you see there, I have to go manually, select the network, and then the iPhone will actually reconnect to the actual network, which should have already because obviously it is the current network that I'm always connected to. So Wi-Fi connection issues is something that I've reported within iOS 18.3. I've also reported this to Apple, so hopefully with iOS 18.3.1, we'll finally see some Wi-Fi issues being resolved. And now something else that I did encounter briefly 2 times after updating to 18.3, for a split second, a weird distortion on the display. Now initially this went away, but after several days of using 18.3, twice I've seen the weird screen distortion, green and white lines on the display when, connecting to CarPlay and things like that, which is kind of weird. I know some users have also reported this, but hopefully 18.3.1 will finally address what I believe is some screen calibration issues within 18.3. And last but not least, there's also been various reports of issues within the Photos application. Many comments on my YouTube videos reporting lag and issues within iOS 18.3 and the Photos application, just laggy overall and unresponsive. So if you're having photo issues or photo app issues within iOS 18.3, let me know in those comments down below because I haven't encountered those issues, but I see many of you guys are having photo application issues in iOS 18.3, and hopefully this will also be addressed with 18.3.1. And now with all that being said, when will Apple release this next update, 18.3.1? Last year, Apple released iOS 17.3.1 on February 8th. Now it is currently February 6th, 2025. So if history is any indication, we could see this software update being pushed out to iPhone users as early as next week on Monday, February the 10th. So yeah, Apple could release at any moment, but my best guess is next week, if not for sure the following week of the 17th here in February. So there you guys have it. That is everything I wanted to share with you guys. Again, iOS 18.3.1 is now officially confirmed. Apple is working on the software. Let's see what happens aside from security and bug fixes that will be implemented with this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.